Hi everyone, this is Gary Weitz for Purebred Studios. We're lining up our bred by exhibitor class underneath the tent area over there. I suppose we'll bring them out 5 at a time, as this is one of the larger classes, and I think the largest class of the day next to open, with 30 bred by exhibitor bitches that we'll be seeing this afternoon. At least that's what's in the catalog. This is 160 Windstorm Shalom After All. Breeder owners Mary Jane Helder, Jack Helder, and Randy and Starr White. Here we all come. The finalists, if you will, we're down to 6, from approximately 30 entered, down to 6. Still coming around. One more look, that expression, I presume. We have a winner. We have placements. Our bred by exhibitor class winner is Windstorm Shalom After All. Breeder owners Mary Jane Helder, Jack Helder, Randy White, and Starr White. She's by champion Ruwak's Smooth as Silk, and out of champion Shalom, Annie Song. Congratulations. And here they come, our class winners. Let's review them for you. 6-9 bitch winner, Badawi's As Good As It Gets. Owner, Dr. Rick Volcanier. Our 9-12 class winner is El Shaddai Watermark Key to Sterling. Owner is Jackie Tahar. 12 to 18 month class winner is Kashanda's Icy Feather. Owner, the Vickers, Kay, Alex, and Charles. Novice bitch winner, Just Double Times Al Asmani, JC. Owner, Catherine Comroy. Our very large bred by exhibitor bitch class, our class winner was Windstorm Shalom After All. Mary Jane and Jack Helder and Randy and Starr White are the owners. American bred bitches, Asher Venus de Milo. The Wagners, Ari and Donna Wagner are the owners. And finally, that open bitch class that just completed with 40 entries. Number 1 was Denali's Arctic Fox, owned by Jane Worthington and Christina Roberts. And there's our rundown in winner's bitch competition. Let's see what our judge wants to do here. Certainly we're going to see some more movement. Here's our open class winner. Denali's Arctic Fox. This is American bred. Asher Venus de Milo. Our bred by exhibitor winner is Windstorm Shalom after all. And there's that purple ribbon. And it goes to bred by exhibitor. This year's winner's bitch is our bred by exhibitor class winner. Our winner's bitch today was entry number 160 from bred by Windstorm Shalom after all. Breeder owners Mary Jane Helder, Jack Helder, Randy White, and Starr White.